Manhart, the German tuning company, has taken the Toyota GR Supra to new heights with their latest creation, the Manhart GR 550. This modified Supra features a significant boost in power, reaching an impressive 542 horsepower, up from the standard 382 horsepower. The enhancements are not just limited to performance. The GR 550 also sports aggressive visual upgrades, including a carbon fiber body kit, lowered suspension, and a striking new exhaust system. Manhart's version is inspired by the rumored Toyota GRMN Supra, which has been speculated to be an even more extreme version of Toyota's sports car. While the GRMN has yet to be confirmed by Toyota, Manhart's GR 550 offers a tantalizing preview of what such a model might look and perform like if it ever comes to fruition. Under the hood, the GR 550's 3.0-liter inline-six engine receives a larger turbocharger, an upgraded intercooler, and a remapped ECU, all of which contribute to the substantial increase in power. The result is a car that not only delivers blistering straight-line speed but also improved handling dynamics, thanks to the upgraded suspension and brake components. The exterior modifications include a full carbon fiber body kit that gives the GR 550 a more aggressive stance, complete with a large rear wing, front splitter, and side skirts. The car sits on custom 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, further enhancing its track-ready appearance. Inside, the Manhart GR 550 retains much of the Supra's original interior but adds a few custom touches to match its upgraded performance. These include bespoke leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and Manhart-branded accents throughout the cabin. Despite the performance-focused modifications, the GR 550 remains a comfortable and practical sports car, suitable for both daily driving and track use. Manhart's creation has garnered significant attention, particularly among enthusiasts eager for a more powerful version of the GR Supra. With the GRMN Supra still just a rumor, the GR 550 fills a niche for those seeking an elevated Supra experience. The car is available for purchase directly from Manhart, with pricing reflective of the extensive modifications and bespoke nature of the build. The Manhart GR 550 stands as a testament to the potential of the Toyota GR Supra platform. Whether or not Toyota eventually releases a GRMN version, Manhart has shown that there is room to push the boundaries of what the Supra can achieve. For those who can't wait for the GRMN, or who simply want a one-of-a-kind Supra, the GR 550 offers a compelling alternative.